3 ways to get for BRN and TIN number in SQL. Method 1. Search and maintain customer. How can you find the TIN number in SQL? Actually, you can enter the customer's name in the Maintain Customer section. Then click the search button next to the registration number. The system will automatically detect both the TIN number and BRN number for you. Method 2. Fill in info request form via link. Right-click, then click Create Info Request. Click Copy to copy the link. There are 2 ways for the client to enter the company info request. Option 1. If they have the Myinvoice taxpayer QR code, just click Autofill using Myinvoice taxpayer QR code to autofill all field. How to get the QR code from Myinvoice portal? Scroll down to see this QR code. Option 2. Your client can manually enter the information. Fill in the company info, then click Submit. This page shows that customer info has been submitted. To retrieve info submitted by the customer, right-click on an empty space. Right-click, then click Retrieve Info. Click the refresh icon. Now the customer information is updated. Go to Tax and you will see that the BRN and TIN numbers are updated too. Method 3. Fill in info request form via QR code in Invoice. Click Myinvoice, then click Sandbox eInvoice Request. Select the report format that includes the Myinvoice request QR. A reminder will pop up. Then you will get the invoice with the QR code. When the customer receives the invoice, scan the QR code. Fill in the company info, then click Submit. This page shows that customer info has been submitted. Click Myinvoice, then click Refresh Sandbox eInvoice Request Status. Click More to check the updated customer info. Select your desired report format here. This reminder will pop up if your eInvoice module is not live yet. If your eInvoice module is live, then you will get the invoice with a validated QR code.